Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. Look at our truck. Oh, look, it can pick things up. What did it pick up? Let's see. Unfold. It's a bow. A bow. We found a bow. Bow. Beep, 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 beep. It's gonna pick up another paper. Beep, beep. What paper did we get? What's on the paper? Let's see. Oh, it's a mop. A mop. A mop. Mop. Beep, beep, beep. Which one should I choose? Let's see what it chose. Let's unfold the paper. Oh, it's a dot. 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 We found a dot. Beep, 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 beep. Which paper should it choose? Beep. Oh, it got this paper. Let's see what's on the paper. Unfold. It's a bat. 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 Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. Let's see what's on this paper. Unfold. It's a balloon. It's about to be popped. Pop, 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 pop. Beep, beep, beep. Last paper. Let's see what's on the paper. Unfold. It's some dough. 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 There was dough on that paper. Beep, beep. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack.